This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone is on a recent iOS. That avoids missing wallpaper options. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper. Make sure you have the default image or a backup in Photos so you can restore it immediately. Tap Add New Wallpaper or tap the current wallpaper to edit. This begins the replacement process. You're acting now, not prepping, so skip extra apps and use the built-in wallpaper controls to keep the original layout and motion settings intact. Next, locate the default wallpaper file in Photos and tap it. You need to match crop and perspective. Use Move and Scale to position the image exactly, and decide between perspective zoom for subtle parallax or still for no motion. If the original used depth or blurred effects, match those toggles now so icons and widgets remain readable. Once positioned, tap Set, then select Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both depending on what you're restoring. This writes the image into System Settings immediately. To finish, lock the phone and check both screens for correct appearance and widget contrast. Adjust brightness if necessary. If the wallpaper doesn't appear, reboot the iPhone to clear transient display glitches, then reapply the image from Photos. If you still can't restore the true default, use Settings General Transfer, or Reset Home Screen Layout, or restore a recent iCloud backup that contains the original wallpaper. This single troubleshooting step solves most persistent restore failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.